Rhode Island attorneys are sounding the alarm over a shortage of sheriffs, warning the staffing gap is putting courtroom safety at risk.
NBC 10 team reporter Tamara Sakarzik is looking into this.
Safety has to be a primary concern.
Courthouse security is in question as Rhode Island grapples with a shortage of sheriffs.
Each judge should at least have one sheriff. And there are courts where there's only one sheriff for the entire floor.
What's the impact of this?
Calendars are being delayed because there's not enough sheriffs to go around to each courtroom.
Rhode Island Bar Association President Christopher Gontar sat down with the NBC Tonight team after sending this letter to Governor Dan McKee. In it, the organization requests more money for court security and warns of the repercussions if that doesn't happen.
Are the judges concerned with safety?
They all expressed the concern at our meeting that it was a serious concern, and they're all afraid of an incident occurring.
With good reason. For example, in 2018, shots were fired outside the Garrahy and Litch Judicial Complex in Providence following an incident in court. And on May 27th, 8 people were arrested after a brawl in 6th District Court, where Providence police were already helping out.
What would have happened if you did not have officers there?
Being there, they were able to provide immediate assistance, so it didn't escalate to anything bigger. Providence
Police Chief Oscar Perez tells me the department began providing courthouse security in 2024.
We had heard that the sheriffs had limited staffing, and so when they reached out, requested assistance, and the Providence Police, being the capital city, obviously stepped up to ensure that they were full staff.
Providence Police have 4 officers assigned to court hallways on a daily basis, paid for by the court system. But it's a stopgap solution, part of a temporary contract that's not meant to last.
Once they reach full capacity, we'll definitely step back.
The Division of Sheriffs is making progress. Data obtained by the I-Team shows Rhode Island has 150 sheriffs compared to 136 last year. Current staffing is at its highest level since 2021, but they need another 29 sheriffs to be fully staffed. Until then,
it affects the administration of justice in the fact that it delays, calendars are delayed, trials are delayed until they have the proper security.
Rhode Island Chief Sheriff Paul Martellini tells me they're working to improve staffing. They have an upcoming open enrollment academy and started accepting lateral transfers to recruit sheriffs faster. You can see his full statement on our homepage. For the NBC Tonight team, I'm Tamara Sakarzik.